woman tries to fill electric Tesla car with petrol. Video viral: a woman tried to fill an electric Tesla car with petrol at a fuel station in US. The video of which was shared by the onlookers. After her 2.5-minute-long struggle with the car, a man approached her and told her that the car was electric. After realizing her mistake, the woman laughed and said that the car was not hers. Maruti may shut its diesel engine assembly line in Gurugram. India's largest car maker Maruti Suzuki is reportedly planning to shut its diesel engine assembly line in its Gurugram plant. The diesel assembly line has a capacity of around 170,000 engines per annum, reports said. Notably, the sale of diesel cars is expected to fall in India once the Bharat Stage VI emission norms come into force from April 1, 2020. Elon Musk unveils his Boring Company's first-ever tunnel. Billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk on Tuesday unveiled the first underground transportation tunnel dug in Los Angeles by the Boring Company, a subsidiary of his space startup SpaceX. The over 1.83-kilometer-long tunnel, featuring car elevators, was built for around $10 million, Musk said, capable of traveling safely at over 150 miles per hour. "It'll feel like teleporting within a city," he tweeted. Tesla car catches fire in U.S. Reignites few hours later. A Tesla Model S electric car reportedly caught fire in California after being towed to a garage due to a flat tire. The car made a hissing sound and produced smoke before it was surrounded in flames, its owner said. The fire department managed to control the fire, which reignited later on, likely due to heat buildup in the batteries.